We all have experienced the extreme hot air inside our car, which is parked below direct sunlight or even a shade. In this video, we'll show you how you can quickly and easily remove this hot air from your car's cabin. Hi, my name is Femil M. Johnson and let's get right into the video. Okay, first roll down all the 4 window glasses. Before starting the engine, make sure the air conditioner switch is off. This is to reduce the load on the AC compressor. Now crank the engine. As the temperature inside the car is higher than the outside temperature, switch to fresh air mode to avoid circulating the same hot air. Now change the mode control dial to make the airflow only towards floor vents. This makes the fresh air to push all the hot air from the bottom of your car's cabin towards the top. So by doing this, hot air can escape much faster through the windows. Now turn the blower speed to the maximum and this will quickly pushes all the hot air from your car. Now wait for some time and turn on the AC, roll up all the window glasses, change to recirculating mode. You can now change the blower speed and the mode control dial to your preferred settings. Now enjoy your ride with comfort. So that's all for this video and I will catch you in the next one.